these two parts of the cerebrum. This is the cerebellum. Most of the dura mater is already moved. It's the thick, opaque surface on this, but most of it's already moved.
Okay.
The pia mater is the brown stuff,
This is better than taking a test.
and it's also the thin connective tissue that you can pull off.
Okay, ready? Okay.
This is the cerebrum, and these are the cerebral hemispheres.
So guys, also
The gyrus are the bumps, and the sulcus is the shallow grooves in between the bumps. This is a longitudinal fissure. The falx cerebri is in between the longitudinal fissure, and that's where the dura mater folds. This is the occipital lobe. These are the parietal lobes. These are the temporal lobes, and this is the frontal lobe. This is the pons. This is the medulla oblongata, and this is the spinal cord. This is the cerebellum. The white tissue inside is the corpus callosum. Those two butts right there are the corpora quadrigemina. The pineal gland is the little bump back there behind the quadriceps. See that bump? That's the pineal gland. That's right there that's the corpora quadrigemini, which consists of four rounded structures called the colliculi. These are the olfactory bulbs up here. You can't really see them, but they run all the way down. This is where the optic nerves would have been, but they have been cut, and they run to each eye. And right there, where it crosses over, that's the charisma, and this is the tract right here. This is the pituitary gland right in the middle. And then the infundibulum is the thing that connects the pituitary gland to the brain. So you can't really see it, but it runs down right there. These are the mammillary bodies. This is the pons right here, and then this is the midbrain, this whole thing.
Okay, on the side is the spinal accessory nerves. That is the vagus nerve. And right there, can't really see it, but it's the vestibulocochlear nerve. That is the abducens nerve, and then right there is the trochlear nerve. That is where the hypoglossal nerve would be. That is where the glossopharyngeal nerve would be. Above that would be where the facial nerve. And then above that is where the trigeminal nerve would be. And then all the way up there is where the oculomotor nerve would be. So this is the cerebrum. And then the olfactory bulb is right there. And then the corpus callosum is located right there. And underneath that is the fornix. And then the cerebellum are those two little circle things. So the arbor vitae is the tree-looking thing right there, and then the cerebellar cortex is the gray matter around it. The space in between there is called the lateral ventricle, and then the septum pellucidum is the space in between the lateral ventricle. So that is the lateral ventricle right there, and then that is the septum pellucidum, and then that little area is called the third ventricle. So that is the cerebral aqueduct, and then the space in between there is the fourth ventricle, and then the dicephalon is that whole region, which includes the thalamus and the hypothalamus. So right here is where the optic chiasma is, where this cross. This is the infundibulum, this area right here. And then these two little pieces of gray matter is where the pituitary gland is. These are the mammillary bodies right here. This is the thalamus right here, and then this is where the hypothalamus is. Right here is the pineal gland. This area right here is the midbrain. Right here is the pons. And then down here is the medulla oblongata. So this is the cerebral cortex. This section